What's up, guys? Back here. We're gonna fix that today. Supposed to be bent? I don't know. That's how they came.
Okay.
We're gonna learn together.
This is the same line, though. Ooh, you get a new handle.
Get a new everything. Need a better camera view here. So we got the new Squishimer Bob. We got the new Locky Bobs. Oh, they're even labeled R for right, L for wrong. Got a new handle. Huh? Let's see how to replace this. Looks like we need to start with some 12s.
There's a 10.
No, that's 12, bud. Probably gonna be a 9/16 because it's American.
Ah, it is a 10. They're brand new latches. Oh, it's because of it. Oh, you should have thought of these too.
Well, they said complete kit. Clearly, they lied to me. Is it bit? Is it bit?
I mean, you don't push it, you yank it backwards if it opens.
Ready?
Oh, that's
Dude, we're solid. And I mean, I need to do bushings for in here. That would help a lot too.
AC man.
World's greatest mechanics. And then we got this piece that we got from the junkyard that doesn't match anything else.
I say after this we go buy the bed liner.
Dude, I do need to order that bed liner. I want that rafter liner.
We just bed line it, and nobody will even notice this.
No one will ever know. How do they know? How could they know? We need to clean this though. This is
Paper towels?
yeah. Get some paper towels. Presto Delito, cuz. And we're back with the necessities. Got new bolts, and poking around in the AC system, we found out it was leaking from the valves, so we might get some working AC.
We got the AC right here, and we got some food.
Oh yeah, we got burritos.
Well, I got a torta. Put this one back. Perfect.
Hell yeah. We're gonna be at a union job right now. We're gonna take a lunch break. We started late. Take an early lunch.
Recording.
And voila! Working tailgates. Alright, so poking around, we figured out that these little valves right here were leaking on my AC. So we're hoping that we could replace these little valve stems in there and hopefully have AC so I don't die. And stop recording for EPA cert reasons. Are they supposed to be that tight?
Right, it's recording now.
Is it?
Yeah. You can cut this. No one will see that we... Well, it is supposed to be tight.
I'm scared it's gonna like freeze my hand.
Nah.
I think it was the compressor. It was a lot.
I mean, you still have to empty it to get the compressor.
And I lost my tool. It exploded out of my hand. It's gold.
Oh,
What?
I found it.
You found it?
Yeah, it's in the good truck.
Hell yeah.
It's on that side. Well, that was a complete failure. Well, not really. I don't know what you will call that. Science.
Science. Did you record it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I want to see it though. Let me check. Go for it.
Half fail, half success today. You know?
Two things that we learned. The compressor doesn't work and the whole AC system was full.
Of nothing, no Freon, it was full of compressed air. But, I mean, we did pretty good, you know, stuck to our channel ritual of one thing working, one thing not working, so.
We still have to fix more stuff on this truck, which one of those is the power steering pump.
That's just a leak. The power steering works. It just leaks a little bit, and I filled it with automatic transmission fluid, so it has a little ATF to really clean the system, you know, and it's cheaper than power steering fluid.
Yeah. But anyways, guys, this was a fail, kind of success.
It was a successful fail.
Yeah. So we'll see you next time with the second part where we actually fix the truck. And we'll see you guys later.
Later.
Oh.